Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Alexandria. Hey girl, thank you so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Before you guys chew me up, I already know, I just want to say that currently right now, this is probably the worst time for me to be filming because it's 4th of July. So if you hear fireworks in the back, please excuse that. So quick rundown, I know I wasn't there Thursday. It's not a habit, I swear. I stay consistent, I really do. I just needed my video to be approved for a brand and it didn't get approved in time. So that's what happened with that. But I'm back and I'm here. So today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough. I'm using soft gel nail covers. These ones came off of Amazon. And after I size them out, I'm going to cut them down to my preferred length. So yeah, today's not going to be a story time. If you guys have stories that you want to tell me, please send me an email at, actually everything will be down below in the description box. You can send me an email or you can DM me on Instagram. Either one is fine with me. Any story you have. Stories are nice because, you know, you get to get out your truth, being anonymous and everything, and see the comments and get positive feedback. So yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, definitely send me your stories and things you want to get off your chest to my email or my Instagram. All information is down below in the description. So I do have a lot of announcements for this video. Really quickly, I'm going to be using Ohuhu Polygel and I'm going to be using Makartt's Clear Polygel. And for my slip solution, I'm going to be putting 70% alcohol, and it's super simple from here. Something I did want to highlight is when I use the clear polygel, I started to notice that it's a waste if you like build the whole nail up with the polygel. Since they're clear, I'm going to be doing the whole nail with the Ohuhu Polygel, but for like clear nails or stuff that you know you're going to paint over, just put it at the base like you see me doing here. Press it on your nail and then flatten it out underneath. You don't have to get the whole nail. You know what I mean? It's just kind of a waste because the full nail cover is already meant to be a press on, so it's already pretty thick. You don't need to build it up anymore and waste a whole bunch of clear polygel. So I hope that made sense, but let's get to the announcements. So it's like insane. Just not even half a year ago, I had 36 subscribers and I just had a vision and I was like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do YouTube and this is gonna be something that I can do full time. It's crazy because like I have a degree, I'm getting my master's and I love working and stuff, but I'm just such like that's why I love doing nails, because it allows me to be creative. I just have a creative mindset and personality, and I love not doing the same thing every single day, and that's what nails allow me to do. Every day is a new design, every day is a new technique, every day is something different. And because of that, I'm thinking about expanding my channel. I really hope the fireworks aren't too loud, but I'm thinking about expanding my channel into Beyond Polygel. I'm about to hit 10,000. Like, I literally started with 36 subscribers and here we are, not even a year later, about to hit 10,000. Well, about to hit 9,000 then 10. Let me not get ahead of myself. But I'm thinking about doing nails, of course, obviously. It's definitely still polygel, but I wanted to maybe go into acrylic nails and dip nails and gel manicures, maybe even pedicures, at home stuff. So I'm thinking about expanding into that, and I'm also thinking about doing other stuff on my channel too. Like, I like fashion a lot, so I was thinking maybe I could do matching my nails with my outfits, doing vlogs. I'm young, single, just graduated college, and I'm in the process of like trying to save up, trying to buy a house because I don't want to rent. And when that time comes, hopefully sometime this year, I kind of want to vlog the whole experience if anybody else is in the same boat. Show the mistakes, show what it's like being a new homeowner, pros and cons of being a single. Maybe I shouldn't put that out on the internet. Who knows? Even by then I probably, well, I don't know. I might be single, I might not. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm just thinking about like maybe putting up some vlogs on my channel like once a month or something, because I'm not a huge vlogger, but I just want to, nails will always be my main focus, but I just kind of want to diversify my channel. And let me know what you guys think about that. I want to bring out some more content, and honestly, not uploading on Thursday made me realize that I need to have videos just on deck. So I'm thinking about like taking off the day. When I hit 10,000, I'm going to take off from work. I'm going to celebrate. I'm going to just sit and just work on my YouTube. I want to do a new intro for introducing my first commenter, a new outro. I want to install more Final Cut Pro plugins, just more editing. I just want to learn about more editing things, look into maybe new cameras, new lighting. You know, I just really want to like take this more seriously. If you guys know somebody that edits intro videos and stuff like that for YouTube, let me know, because I'm willing to pay for that, because it's not easy. Well, it's easy, it's just like you gotta buy a whole bunch of things, so I just rather pay one fee, if that makes sense. So leave that down below. But yeah, I just want to really take this to the next level. And I'm super grateful for every 8,657 one of you currently. That's my current subscriber count. It just blows my mind. I'm so grateful. And it just shows that, like, if you're hesitant on starting a YouTube channel, please do. Like, if this is something that you're seriously thinking about and you know you'll stay consistent, just do it. Honestly, because here I am, not even a year later, about to hit 10,000. It blows my mind, guys. I'm just talking because this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just painting my nails and doing a simple design. But yeah, that's been brainstorming on my mind. I'm probably going to take off like at least one day out of every single month off of work so I can focus on new content. I want to bring Ask Alex to my channel. I mentioned that concept before, where instead of doing a walkthrough or a story time, you guys ask me a whole bunch of questions and I answer them. And I'm also thinking about doing nail ASMRs, because I love ASMR personally. So it would be cool if you guys could hear me do like the drilling, the patting, the painting, like, you know what I mean? The buffing. If you guys are interested in something like that, let me know, because I'm so down. I just got to change the smoke detector in my room before I do something like that, because you guys will. I remember the first video I made, somebody was like, change your smoke detector. I said, oh. Wow. And from there on, I always did voiceovers and music over top, turn the sound off, because y'all not about to clock me. So for polishes, I'm using Beetles polish and Macart Duet polishes. I love Beetles and Macart for polishes. They're my favorite. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They're super thick. This orange color by Beetles is amazing. I'm in love with them. The Macart ones are really thick too. Like, all you need is one coat and you're good to go. But I have a discount code for both, and all of that information will be down below in the description box. Yeah, 10,000. I feel like at 10,000 is when I'm gonna do like whole new channel, new thumbnail, or a hat banner. That's what they call them. New banner. I just want to, freshen up my channel. And let me know what you guys think of those different ideas of like doing a vlog once a month and doing ASMRs, Ask Alex. I could do videos on like where I get my supplies from. I also have giveaways coming for the next like 2 weeks. I have a lot of giveaways because I got a ton of PR and I gotta get rid of it. I have no space, like. So if you aren't subscribed to my email list, I created an email list, so if anything were to ever happen to my YouTube channel, I have you guys email, so I can always just like send you out the link to my new channel. God forbid, I hope that never happens, but if it does, you never know, or if YouTube just falls off the face of the planet. And I also created it to do giveaways, because I want to do giveaways on my YouTube channel, and I also want to do giveaways on that email list for my real, true, dedicated subscribers. Besties, excuse me. I'm so freaking rude. You guys are not my subscribers. You guys are my besties. For the resties. I have a whole bunch of giveaways coming, like a lot. Especially when I hit 10K, it's going to be a huge giveaway. So yeah, just make sure you guys have like my post notifications on and everything for that. My favorite part, going in with cuticle oil. I say it in every single video, if you don't put cuticle oil on, it doesn't matter how cute your design is, how snatched your nails are, your nails will not be cute. So make sure you are not forgetting that cuticle oil. But voila, here are the final results. Super cute. It's giving me summertime creamsicle vibes. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this look and about everything I talked about in the video. As always, thank you guys for your endless support. I love you guys, and I'm thinking about uploading on Wednesday and Friday this week, so I'll see you then. Bye.